Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Scam Advisor. In today's video, we're going to take a closer look at a product that has been getting attention online called Pinboard Calm Dentures. The website promoting this product claims that it can give you a perfect smile within minutes, using so-called medical-grade dentures that you can fit at home. But the big question is this product actually reliable, or is it something you should avoid? According to the official product page, these dentures are marketed as a quick cosmetic solution for people who have missing, uneven, or stained teeth. The advertisement says the device uses a self-adjusting design that supposedly molds to the shape of your gums. Because of this feature, the company claims users can speak, eat, and smile comfortably without needing glue or professional fitting. The product description also promises a brighter smile in just a few minutes, which may sound appealing to anyone looking for a fast and affordable dental fix. However, there are a few warning signs that buyers should pay attention to. First, independent safety checks show that the website selling this product has a very low trust score. Some reports also indicate that the site shares certain technical similarities with other online stores that have previously been linked to questionable activity. In addition, the domain itself appears to be relatively new, which can sometimes be a risk factor when shopping online. Another concern involves the medical claims. Dental professionals usually explain that properly fitted dentures require professional measurements and adjustments. Products claiming to deliver a perfect fit instantly without a dentist's involvement may be exaggerating what they can actually do. So, when it comes to Pinboard Calm Dentures, the marketing promises may sound impressive, but the low website credibility and unrealistic claims suggest that shoppers should proceed with caution. If you're thinking about improving your smile or getting dentures, the safest option is always to consult a qualified dentist rather than relying on unverified products found online. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Online Scam Advisor so you can stay informed and avoid potential scams online. Thank you.